Everyone, good evening. This is Manjeet Rawat, your online instructor, and welcome to my YouTube class. I'm so excited to inform you that I created my account on Fiverr. You know very well about Fiverr is a type of freelancing website that contain n number of working professional trainers and consultant as well. So as you know that currently I'm running my own YouTube channel with 30,000 subscribers and up to 1,500 students already enrolled on my Udemy courses. So now I'm planning to provide you technical support that you can resolve your real-time issues. If we talk about technology, so over a Fiverr, I'm planning to give you the technical support for VMware vSphere, VMware Virtualization, Microsoft Azure Administrator, Microsoft Azure Architect. I'm able to help you in case of any issues occurred with Azure Virtual Desktop. I'm good with server operating system. If you have any issues related to the server like server 2012, 2016, 2019 or 2022. So if you feel like you are unable to resolve the issue, please contact me on Fiverr. Definitely will help you. And I'm available 24/7. So if you message me, I'll definitely reply you within 30 minutes. And if everything is okay, we'll provide you the immediate solution. One more point just wanted to add, over a Fiverr, I'm planning to give you the training videos. If you want, I'm able to share the training videos based on different technology with 100% live practical, right? So videos like you can say that based on Azure, based on Amazon Web Services, or you want to learn about the VMware Virtualization, so I'm able to provide these types of video. And one more column I added in my profile, like if anyone want live session like classes, if you want to be an expert in Azure or VMware or Azure Virtual Desktop, and you want to take a live session, so the option of live session is also available. I'm going to provide you the complete information about my Fiverr profile. I'm just going to share the link of my courses that I created, services that I created on Fiverr. I'll also share my Udemy courses link. So if you feel like if you want to grow in your IT career, so I think my Udemy courses, my YouTube channel, and my Fiverr account can also help you. Fiverr profile or Fiverr services can also help you. Thank you so much, guys. So this is the basic information that I wanted to share with you guys. And do subscribe here on Teach Me Cloud YouTube channel, and please support on Fiverr and Udemy as well. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.